Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I want to walk you through this 2025 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This particular 310 has a black hull side with a white bottom. And like all the 310s, it has the nice hard top. As we come to the back here, we have a very spacious swim platform. It does have some seating in the back, speakers in the back. This is obviously a twin engine boat with Mercs, and then the submersible swim platform that will go down and underwater lights. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, welcome to the interior of this 310 SLX. Really would love to point out this beautiful cockpit area. Very easy to entertain. You've got a fridge, you've got a sink, a place to prepare food, wraparound seating, and a teak table that can go in that spot right there. You've also got nice double wide seats for your passengers and for the captain with bolster seating. What a beautiful helm here at the 310. You got twin Simrad screens, all touch screen. And then obviously this is a twin engine boat with the Mercury joystick piloting, so easy to maneuver around docks, even if you haven't driven a twin engine boat before. We've got a nice sized head underneath that door. And then another thing with the 310 is a massive bow. So if you have some more friends on that day, you've got a nice teak table to hang out. And this actually has a bow filler cushion, so that will fill in the entire bow as well. This is the 310 SLX. It is here at our Rogers location if you'd like to come take a look.